I'm like, okay. Tell me go ball or something.
That's goal.
Why do I know where you are?
When I say
Again.
go, I mean go, not to the goal. I'll say goal.
Well, I was going backwards. I was going backwards. If you're saying go, I'm continuing going backwards because I'm even go all the way to the goal to
Anytime
defend.
I say go, that means charge the ball. How about that?
Okay, and what does it mean going back to goal?
We should say defense then.
I mean, we've never talked about this, so how would I know what the hell you mean?
Whenever I say go, I want you to charge the ball. That's what.
Okay, and if I say go, then it means the same thing.
Yeah.
And if I say back, back is better than defense. Defense is too long. Back. Go back or back. Back or go back means to defend the goal.
Say go with back. Just say one or the other.
Well, if you say go back or
Yeah.
back, back, or go, go.
Yeah, back's fine.
I don't like defense. It's too long.
Or D, you could say D.
I prefer back. Oh, shit.
Uh-huh.
It was.
Follow it.
Oh, I'm not gonna go for it.
Perfect.
Oh, fuck. Shit, it's on target.
It's
Oh.
off, but it's close.
It's coming back. Is that on target?
Yes. Okay, they're both grouped together if you can get it past them.
Yeah, got past him. Ugh.
Too weak.
Coco!
Ah, Dave.
Ah, Coco, get down! Shit. Get out of there. Going. Oh my god. Going for it. Oof. Oh, I tornado. Shit.
There it goes.
Oh. Ah. Ah. Shit, we both tornadoed.
I didn't tornado, I just tried to take it too sharp of an angle.
Oh. You have it? You have it?
Wow, I
Okay.
almost back hit it with my ass.
It's almost there again.
Too high.
Okay. Oh shit.
Off to the side.
Okay, we're gonna hit it. I knew it. And it's gonna go back.
There, I passed.
Ah, he hit me.
I hit him.
Shit. He hit it enough that I jump and. All right.
Over my head and on.
Evil chinchilla.
Would have been a chinchilla.
Chinchilla in Spanish, yeah. The evil chinchilla. Oh, fuck. It was not in a... Ah,
Shot.
there.
Yeah, it's too close to them still. Get back. Middle.
I was gone back. Okay. Going for it, going for it. Get
No.
okay. Shit. I missed it. Ah, I itch.
Nope. Our defense is getting shitty for some reason. Right here.
Well, against these guys, apparently.
Oh, you're still coming back. That's why.
Well, yeah. What do you expect? That doesn't make it shitty. That's part of the game. If I was at the front,
Take a shot. Take a shot.
I can't.
it's scoreable.
Yeah, if I get to... Damn it.
Oh,
Come on, in front!
Nice pass.
Alright, a minute 35 to score. Come on. Look at this.
I had to guess where that one was going, but I guessed correctly. Go.
Alright, come on. Come on, we have a chance here.
Take it.
No, I can't.
It's gonna bounce.
Oh, shit.
Ah, double jumped.
Alright, come on, go for it. Hit it, just hit it. Just to hit it. Oh, shit. I had it, but... Come on, 1 minute.
It's over there.
Oh, that could be.
That's
That's it. That was a nice fortuitous.
Well, that was a freaking hard save too, so he shouldn't have touched it.
Nope.
Okay, I'm
But he
still midfield.
There.
Nope, too close
Shit.
to them.
It's on target. Shit. Oof.
It's not on target, but
I'm getting smacked around. Oh, shit. There. Over their head. Nice.
Nope.
Shit.
Okay, stay in the goal.
Now I'm going to clear it. Ah, he was right in front. Damn
Ah,
it.
fuck.
Yeah, get out of the way.
That's yours.
Come on! Oh my god. Oh my god.
What a comeback.
Wow.
Well, that guy had a home goal that cost
I
us.
am even amazed myself.